In this quick guide, I'll show you how to create adjustable reference lines in Tableau, a powerful way to make your charts more interactive and insightful. And before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Tableau tips every week. Let's get started. Open your browser, head to the Tableau website and log in with your account. Or sign up if you're new. Once you're in, open an existing workbook or create a new one where you want to add the reference line. Now we'll create a parameter. In the data pane, right-click and choose Create Parameter. Give it a name, for example, Target Sales. Set the data type to number, decimal, then define a default value and range based on your data. Next, we'll link it to a calculated field. Right-click in the data pane again and select Create Calculated Field. Name it something like Reference Line Target. In the formula box, simply type the name of your parameters. For example, this connects the calculated field to the parameter, making your reference line adjustable. Now, go to the chart where you want to display the line. Right-click on the axis, choose Add Reference Line, and for the value, select your calculated field. Reference line target. Adjust the scope, table, pane or cell depending on your needs and style the line however you like, color, label and format. And that's it. You've just created an adjustable reference line in Tableau, giving your dashboard a professional and interactive touch. If this tutorial helped, make sure to subscribe and check out our next video on custom dynamic charts in Tableau.